Let's solve task number 1 to sum. Category easy. We given an array of integers nums, and we have here nums array and an integer target. Target we have number. Return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. So we need to find out which numbers can in sum return the target number. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. So we have 3 examples with explanation, and the output should be array with that numbers indexes, and the explanation is why we return 0 and 1, because nums 0 which will be 2 plus nums 1 which will be 7 will return 9, and it will be equal to 9, and our target number is 9. So we return that indexes, they are between under 0 and 1. So let's start. Let's try to identify which numbers we should to sum. We have array 2, 7, 11, 15 here, and we have a target number 9. Well, we need to sum, for this example, 2 and 7, and to get 9. Okay, and also we need to be careful to not sum the number which was using in the previous step. Okay, let's move on and go to the solution. Let's start from creating a variable, and we will call it numsMap. It will be object which will be holding keys and values, then which will help us to identify that index of that element. Creating for loop which will help us also to iterate through array and to find out which numbers in summing will be equal to our target number from our examples. Then we will create a variable, a complement, and here we will place and subtract current number from our target number to find out for which number we are looking for. And it's from mathematics. To find out our x, we need to subtract our target number and subtract our current number from target number. Okay, the next one will be, we will create if condition, and in that if condition we will try to find out if that complement number already exists in our numsMap. And in case if it's not, we will try to add it. In another case, we will rewrite it. So we will return numsMap complement and that index in that case if it already exists. And if it's not, we will just try to add it. Then in the end we will just return empty array in case any of the numbers can't sophisticate our task. So using HashMap in our case in that task will help us to succeed and not only to pass all tests, as you can see, but also help us to optimize our code. It will be in best practices and also will help us in our runtime 3 milliseconds. As you can see, it's 77%. So thank you for your time and happy learning.